So you have launched your fashion and creative brand or cosmetic brand, or you have products that you're ready to go with and launch your brand. This video is for you because we will talk about Instagram and why it doesn't work for most of the fashion designers today and what should you do to improve it. The reality is when you want to sell and you are passionate about your products, the first thing that you do, you open your Instagram account. Then you find yourself trapped because your content is not visible and people don't like it as much as you would like them to. So you put too much of effort for low results. So if this resonates with you, and you definitely should watch this video, because I will show you 5 strategies to put right now in place and boost your Instagram account. Let's dive in. By the way, by the end of this video, I will show exactly how to boost your Instagram account in 2023, and I will provide you with tools that you can start using right now. So the first and most important thing that you should know, Instagram doesn't sell. There is no direct correlation between your website and traffic on your website and Instagram account. Do your customers find you an Instagram account? Yes. Do they buy from Instagram account? No. Why is that? Instagram is an entertaining platform. People go there to connect to other people, find inspiration, see news, find what inspires them, etc. So there is no shopping short-term motivation compared to Pinterest or Google, for instance. So basically, Instagram is a place of expression and building brand image, giving news, creating and establishing relationships. In this case, you use the platform for only this one purpose, to create relationships and desire to follow you. How? This is my second point. Point number 2, take your content seriously. You see, it is not always about your brand and what you want to show to people and to your audience, but it's only about how the audience enjoys what you put out there. So you can educate them, demonstrate your product, entertain, or tell your stories, but you cannot sell, at least with your regular post. You can sell on specific sessions such as live shopping, but most of the time you will inspire them to see what you do and to follow you. So the content plays a strategic role in your Instagram boosting strategy. Let's take an example. For instance, you are stuck. Completely stuck. Your Instagram account doesn't work, there is no followers, nothing happens, no likes, etc. Zero reaction. So this is a common symptom of a disconnected Instagram account. You see, we are going online to the social media to connect with people. But if you do it only in the ways that only you are interested in what you're posting about, no one will react. And the algorithm and the system will work in the favor of users. The more they engage with your content, the more your content will bring you visibility and followers. The less they interact with your content, the less the Instagram account will be working for you. So imagine you are in the party, you approach someone and you want to have a conversation, but this person doesn't seem like interested in what you're talking about, so they just turn their back and they go away. You're disappointed, so you try with another. You go, you approach them and you try to talk to them and they do the same thing, they're not interested. So the lesson here is, do not approach people with what you like. Approach them with what they want to hear from you. I'd rather prefer you spending your time on researching about those people that you want to attract to your account and their lifestyle and push the content that they want, rather than posting for posting. You see what I mean? So your content is your following machine. You want to make more followers and make better content, better videos, better reels, better stories. Learn from your audience, give them what they want, and from your competitors. You can see what works for them and mirror them and match what they do until the moment you find out your own style and what works for you. Point number 3, forget beautiful Instagram layout, please. What I mean by that, no one cares if you have figured out how your images, text, and colors work together in your feed. How your feed looks in general. People want to see content that speaks directly to them and their problems and their interests. So if you have a beautiful layout no one will care. And if you only bother about your beautiful layout and how your Instagram feed looks like, you can forget about followers basically, because no one cares. So this type of strategies doesn't bring any results today, and what I figure out that most of the brands will hire a community manager to work on their beautiful Instagram feed that looks like a nice brand image. But you know what? These strategies were good for 2000s. We are in 2023. Will it work for you? No. No wonder why you're complaining. Because your Instagram doesn't work, it doesn't help you to promote your brand identity, it doesn't help you to bring more followers. So that is why. So what should you do instead? Well, I've already covered in this video. Go back to the point 2, where I tell you your content, you should take it seriously. Match it with your audience. Talk to them and their problems, inspire them, give them what they really want, and they will respond because they like you. Point number 4, use Instagram as an email machine. You don't want to use Linktree or your website in the bio of your account. You need to think about your Instagram more strategically, especially if you're on the early stage of your brand building process and you try to attract the right audience and create a bigger emailing list. If you're not sure about the role of emails in your e-commerce machine, I invite you to watch my video about this. I put the link below and I talk about the smartest route to a 10K a month. So your Instagram account will inspire people and give them the desire to follow you, but to make them buy from you, you need to offer one more step before they go to your website. Offer them something special to be in your VIP list. Being on the VIP list will allow them to get a special discount from you, a gift, a bundle, or something that they really, really want. By doing this, you will grow your emailing list and start selling them from there. Emails are transactional. Instagram content is not. That's why you want to use Instagram as a funnel to attract people to your emailing list, and from there, with their first opt-in, start nurturing them with your brand story and sell your products. Sounds good? Point number 5. Don't use Instagram as your main platform. In 2023, Instagram is a complex machine where the algorithm takes lots of signals into account before they show your content to someone. It's about your history, your preferences, your audiences, their preferences, etc. Let's face it, it's difficult to grow on Instagram today. Start with TikTok. I know you're lost. Inga, what does it mean? I hate TikTok.
All the sticky videos are in my head.
Well, I started my TikTok account recently and I hated it too. Do you know why I love it now? I can do whatever I want and get easy followers from my content. In fact, TikTok teaches you how to create engaging content with appealing hooks. If you have a good hook that intrigues your audience and then the video itself makes them stick, you have a magic formula. Your content quickly becomes viral and you win the followers easily. From there, you can redirect the viewers towards your Instagram account and post only videos that work on Instagram afterwards. You spend less time creating content and you recycle your content. You also need to put your Instagram account into the buyer to grow your Instagram account from TikTok. So if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Also, my last thing, do you want to boost your Instagram account today? We have an Instagram challenge that you can participate in now. Just go to the free group, ask for a membership and start using our Instagram challenge to implement all those strategies I was talking about earlier. Now, I put the link to the group, to the free group below in the description box. This is where you will find all the necessary information about the challenge, the content that will help you to build your Instagram account and implement the strategy and to boost followers today. So click the link below and subscribe to the group. Start your new Instagram strategy today. And if you like this video, I advise you to watch my next video about the smartest route to a 10K a month and how to build a fashion brand today in 2023. You will learn to sell faster your fashion brand online. See you there.